Now, another big thing is immunity. I mean, everybody wants to have immunity. This is not a drug-type effect. What you do when you try to improve immunity is to try and supply nutrient factors that actually will help the body's own defense mechanism. There are certain botanicals in the product that have been shown to affect immunity. There are certain other ingredients that actually do stimulate immunity. There are things that actually affect inflammation, which is another problem in a way of immunity, although people don't think about it like that. So what you want to be able to do is to be able to stimulate the body's own immune response. So, you know, people have, I think Zicam is something with zinc. You see people spraying in their nose. Well, it contains zinc. Zinc glycinate, by the way, is the form of zinc in the product, which is a very highly soluble form of zinc, and that's why it was selected. Zinc's involved with stimulation of immunity. So when you create a product, you want to have there's a series of botanicals, and there's a list of them. Is this the question? I don't know. Oh. I wrote down the list of these here, and I'll just go through. There's a number of the botanicals that are present, and I wrote them all down because I don't always remember all of the no, well, I'm not that old yet. No. No, because echinacea is used, podarco, summa, golden seal, astragalus. Astragalus, by the way, has a high level of selenium, and shiitake mushroom, and those are very much involved. There's a lot of data on each of these involved with various aspects of enhanced immunity. And I mentioned the zinc, but also what we added is quercetin, which maybe some of you might have seen as you see that this product is yellow now. Quercetin is a bioflavonoid. It has a very strong yellow-orange color. It is an important factor as an anti-inflammatory, but it also provides immune boost because of that. A lot of things now in cardiovascular disease, etc., people used to think, well, it's because you eat too many fats or whatever. They're finding out now most of the things that are really resulting in disease conditions are the result of inflamed tissues. So something like a free radical or oxidant hits the cell, destroys it, and then it tries to cover itself up, and you get swelling. You know, that's how you close the coronary artery. Quercetin has an anti-inflammatory effect, and it's very important in boosting immunity because of that. In fact, there had been some studies of quercetin against indomethacin, which is a drug, anti-inflammatory. So we have now added that in to try to help improve the effectiveness. Because immunity is an important aspect of any health program. Keeping yourself from being sick is far better than trying to treat the disease after the fact. There's really not many ways to treat a virus. There's very few effective antiviral drugs. The white blood cells produced in the body by boosted immunity is the best way to prevent yourself from getting a flu or virus, etc.